And our bite of the week now, it comes from former Prime Minister Bruce Golding. He says Jamaica needs to defend its sovereignty amid what he views as growing pressure from the United States. Here's our bite of the week.
What is being done to us is not friendship. Imposing arbitrary tariffs on us when we are struggling to make our goods competitive in a difficult market is not friendship. Dictating to us who we must do business with is not friendship. Forcing us to accept foreign deportees when we are struggling to look after our own people, that is not friendship.
Is that me? Is that
yes,
you?
that's you.
It's me. And the Primetime News Package continues with sports right after this break.